unlocking the elusive Rainbow Astronaut in Blooket in just 1 minute. Let's try this rumored method. Alright, the first step is to find a specific type of Blooket game. You'll need to join a game that is not already in progress. The fastest way to do this is to get a game code from a friend, or if you're feeling lucky, try finding an open lobby. Once you're in the lobby, and before the game officially starts, look at the available bots or players. We're not waiting for the game to begin. We're doing this trick before the timer runs out. Now for the crucial part of this rumored method, we're going to try to exploit a quick glitch. As soon as you see the countdown for the game starting, you need to move very quickly if you're in a group setting. This works best with a few friends also trying the trick. The trick involves timing a specific action as the game is about to start. You need to try and leave the game at the exact moment the countdown hits 0. The theory is that this brief interruption could, in rare cases, trigger a rare Blooket drop, including the Rainbow Astronaut. Is it a guaranteed method? Absolutely not. This is a rumored hack with a very low percentage of success. You might need to try this a few times, or even with multiple friends, to see if it has any effect. So, is the 1-minute Rainbow Astronaut trick real? We've tried it, and while we didn't get it this time, the thrill of trying a supposed hack is definitely part of the Blooket fun. Let us know in the comments if this method works for you.